to my channel. Good morning everybody, respected teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak about my school. My name is Neha. I study in class first. My school name is St. Anthony's HSS School. My school is located at very nice place. I travel to school by our school bus. There are more than 1,000 students in my school. My class teacher name is Veena. She teaches us very politely. My school building is very big. We have many classrooms, science lab, auditorium, library and computer lab. My school has big playground for us to play and sports. My school celebrates many events such as Annual Day, Teachers Day, Children's Day. My school organizes many activities. I love my school very much. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.